Lookup value is a handy function that lets you retrieve the value of a column in a table, specifying conditions, so conditions for other columns in the same table. You provide to lookup value two types of argument. The first one is the column you want to retrieve. Following are pairs of columns and values. The first is the column you want to search into, and the second is the value you want to search for. So you provide a first argument that is the value to retrieve, and then the conditions that need to be satisfied. Let's see an example of its usage. In this example, for each customer, I know the birth date, and I want to know the day of the week on their birthday in 2009. To do that, I first retrieve the birth date of the customer in the birth date variable, then I just store the reference year to provide it handy, and then I use lookup value to retrieve the day of the week in the date table, and following are the conditions that the calendar year number in the date table need to be 2009, and the month number need to be the month of the birth date, and the day need to be the day of the birth date. Lookup value will apply these three conditions to the date table and then retrieve the value of the day of the week. It is not necessary that there is only one row satisfying the condition, provided that the day of week has only one value for all the rows which are found. Indeed, internally, lookup value will use calculate to apply the filter condition to the date table and then retrieve through values the value of the column that you require.